Similarly, if the short question or even the topic is in past, so remember you have to talk in past. Talk about your last journey. Talk about a thing that you lost, a precious thing that you lost. Obviously, you have to talk in past in that, because the thing that you lost was in past. Once I was traveling to Islamabad and I was there. So now you have started talking in past. It's not okay. I am going to Haripur and I am. So the question is, okay, did you ever lost something? Did you ever lost any of the precious things? Okay. So where were you on? Where were you on your last holiday? If you're saying I am at my home, I was at my home. Did you ever drive a car? Did you ever break anything? Did you ever drive a vehicle? Yes, I drove the car a lot. I've got my personal car and I used to drive it a lot. I used to drive. Since how long you're working in this company? I'm working this company since last 4 years. I'm working in that company since 2016.